Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to register a homemade trailer in the state of Texas. For starters, this is the form that you're going to need. It is the form 130U, and you can just get this online. I will link it in the description below. If your trailer is under 4,000 pounds, you don't need a title. So in this case, we're doing a non-title registration only. Then, since it doesn't have any sort of make, obviously because it's homemade, the make is homemade. So that's where we're starting. Now, the rest of this form is gonna be pretty self-explanatory, basically just your ID type, your address, all that sort of stuff. Also, along with this piece of paper, you're gonna need a bill of sale. The reason I needed a bill of sale was because the wheels, axle, and suspension already existed. So if you're in a similar situation where you're making a trailer out of like a previously homemade thing, then you're gonna need a bill of sale too. However, if there was something that already had a make and model, like let's say that you're making a utility trailer out of a boat trailer or out of an RV where it might possibly have a make or model, that's not considered homemade. But if you're completely making it from the ground up, then you need to provide receipts. So you need the receipts for the wheels, the receipts for the axles, the receipts for the suspension, and anything else, tires actually even, to sort of prove that everything is, you know, decent quality, decent shape, and that you did actually make this from the ground up. You're gonna need the weight of the trailer, and then you're gonna need to take some photos. So let's get the easy stuff out of the way first. Let's go ahead and take some photos of the trailer. Now, they don't have to be professional photos. You can just take them with your cell phone, and you don't actually have to get real photos printed. You can just print it out on black and white on your printer, and that is totally fine. So the next challenge, of course, is the weight. And what I did was I just looked up my nearest weigh station for semi trucks, and I drove there and went to go get the trailer weighed. Now, it's $13. However, the problem in my case was that my trailer does not weigh enough to actually tip the scale or get any sort of reading. So I had to measure the truck and trailer and then just the truck, and now I've got to subtract the rest. And so they charged me $13 twice. So in my case, it was $26 to get the accurate weight of my trailer. So here are the two receipts that I got from the weigh station. Here's the one with both truck, trailer, and driver, 5,160 pounds. And then here's the one with just me and the truck for 260. And of course, all the tools that I carry with me. And I think I have a full 5-gallon bucket of used oil I've got to dump. So anyway, what we're gonna do, obviously, super simple, straightforward. 5,160 minus 4,260, and the weight of my trailer is 900 pounds. Now, you will have to bring both of these to the tax office with you for proof, so we'll do that. And then you're gonna wanna mark that empty weight, 11 here, so 900 pounds. The next thing here, we have body style. And if you look on the Texas DMV website, you can download this PDF that just gives you the standard abbreviations for body styles. At the very bottom, you've got this really helpful list. And the one that I found that was, I don't know, I thought most fitting was this utility trailer. So UT is what I'm gonna put. Then the rest of this form is pretty simple to fill out. It's mostly just personal information, the color of the trailer, and then you're gonna have to make some sort of assessment as to how much the trailer can carry. I estimated I would carry a maximum of 1,200 pounds in it, so you're just gonna wanna state a gross weight on there, and then I'm taking all this to my tax office. The pictures, the bill of sale, or your receipts, the weight certificate, and this filled out form, and let's go get our plates. Oh my God, are you kidding me? The last digits of my trailer plate are 7M. Oh, I'm in heaven. All right, so it's a success. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps you get your homemade trailer registered in the state of Texas. We got nuts. See, Thalia knows.